My name is Tingting Zhou, and I'm a neuroscientist at the McGovern Institute at MIT. Imagine for a second that you're a mouse, and you really like to eat a piece of cheese. But in order to get the cheese, you must remember the color of this light. You can't forget it, even after the light turns off. Right now, your mouse brain is holding this important information in an area called the prefrontal cortex. And when you have to remember which light you saw earlier, you probably guessed correctly. This is called working memory. The mice in my lab have difficulty with working memory. They have schizophrenia, a serious brain disorder that affects the ability to think clearly. They cannot remember information for more than a few seconds because they have mistakes in their DNA and their prefrontal cortex doesn't connect properly to other parts of the brain. I'm studying how we can fix the genes and the abnormal brain connections associated with schizophrenia so that all mice and people can live a rewarding life.